Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the Face ID unlocking in the POCO X3 device. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the POCO X3 smartphone, and recently I did a video on the fingerprint unlocking, even the Bluetooth, using the Bluetooth device unlocking the device as well. But right now in this video, I'll be using the Face ID unlocking. Let's see what are the different options we do have in the Face ID unlocking in the POCO X3 device. So as I said, there is a unlock using the Bluetooth device as well, so which is you can unlock using the fitness bands. So but let's see friends, how is the Face ID unlocking? Is it much faster or better or reliable or not? So let me try to first disable the fingerprint scanner. So first you need to set up your face, adding the face here. So let me try to do this scanning thing. As you can see, once the face is successfully scanned, you can name the face as well. So as you can see friends, face 1. So let me try to add, let me see how many number of faces you can actually add in the POCO X3 device. So you can only add 2 faces, so not more than that. So maybe what I did was I did add one face with a, you can do like one face with full beard, and second face you can add with a with clean shave as well. So two things you can add at same time, so that's a good advantage, even the faster way to unlock the device as well. So even normally also you can just add 2 faces right now in the settings, so which can improve in terms of the faster unlocking. So next option is that unlocking using the Face ID. Obviously you need to select this option to unlock using the Face ID, which is selected. So next is stay on the lock screen after unlocking. So try to disable this option. So why I am saying this, because so for example, let me try to unlock using the face. So as you can see right now, using my face, it did get unlocked and the lock screen got open automatically without even swiping. So if you enable this option, this will stay on the lock screen only even after unlocking. As you can see, you got this tick mark, but the phone is not unlocking, so you need to manually swipe upwards. So better to disable this option every time. So mostly I would suggest you to disable. So next is allow face unlocking when the screen lights up. So you can unlock the device using the face data whenever the screen lights up for the incoming messages. So for example, if your phone is on the table and you did receive any notification and the phone screen got turned on, so when you're seeing it exactly in the front camera, that will automatically unlock the phone and it will show the home screen. That's another kind of thing, but it will drain little bit of battery, because every time you receive the message, the Face ID scanner will look for the face to scan. So that is an extra power you are keeping in the on the battery. So that's why you better to disable this option, in my opinion. So overall, these are the few tips and tricks you need to know before using this Face ID unlocking. So you can add up to 2 faces, and you can even use this kind of option to stay on the lock screen, or you can use directly go to into the home screen as well. So better to turn off all this option for the faster unlocking and try to use 2 faces. So try to change your direction of the face and try to use 2 faces to make it work faster. So let me try to demonstrate you right now how much faster it is. As you can see friends, you cannot even see the lock screen only. As you can see, you cannot even see the lock screen time whenever you press the power button. So it's opening. As you can see, it's very faster and very reliable as well. So that's it for this video friends. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And for this launcher, what I'm using is iOS 14 launcher, so which I did an in-depth video on that one as well. So try to check the links in description and the playlist of the POCO X3, so where you can find so many videos on the POCO X3 device. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.